Hear that?
Yes.
That's Sergeant Donnie Donowitz, but you might know him better by his nickname, the Bear Jew. Now, have you heard of Donald the Apache? You gotta hear about the Bear Jew.
I heard of the Bear Jew.
What you hear?
He beats German soldiers with a club.
Bashes their brains in with a baseball bat is what he does. I'm gonna ask you one last goddamn time. If you respectfully refuse, I'm calling the Bear Jew over, and he's gonna take that big bat of his and beat your ass to death with it. Now take your wheel schnitzing licking finger and put on this map what I want to know.
Fuck you. And your Jew dogs.
Actually, we're all tickled to hear you say that. Quite frankly, watching Donnie beat Nazis to death is the closest thing we ever get to going to the book. Donnie!
Yeah.
Got some German here that wants to die of country. Lodge him.
You get that for killing Jews?
Bravery.
Right now, I'll be shitting my pants if I was you.
Teddy fucking Williams, look out of the Finlay packs on his feet for the Teddy fucking ball game. He went yawn on that one on the fucking Lansdowne Street. You.
Damn it, Erzberg!